promise always true. I'm safe in you. Love that never ends, calm and true. Every heartbeat's made by you. Through the storm, through the rain, your joy remains. Love that never ends, warm and near. I feel your spirit here. Forever I depend on love that never ends. Forever never The night gives way to holy light. You turn my wrongs to right. Every moment shines anew because of you. You hold the stars, you calm the waves. Your mercy freely saves, and in your hands I find peace divine. You move through time and space, unchanging in your grace. Your promise always true. I'm safe in you. Love that never ends, calm and true. Every heartbeat's made by you. Through the storm, through the rain, your joy remains. Love that never ends, warm and near. I feel your spirit here. Forever I depend on love that never ends. When the world fades away, your love will stay. Through the silence and the fire, you lift me higher. You're the rhythm in my chest, my peace, my rest. Forever you defend. Love that never ends. Love that never ends, calm and true. Every heartbeat's made by you. Through the storm, through the rain, your stillness I can see you're here with me. Sacred moments, soft and true. All my heart belongs to you. Every silence sings your name. I'll never be the same. Sacred moments, calm and pure. Your presence will endure. Forever I'll remain in sacred moments again. Sacred moment. You breathe through shadows, soft and kind, restoring peace of mind. Each second turns to endless grace when I behold your face. Your spirit glows, your mercy flows through every night that grows. I find my rest in you. In all you do, you move in light unseen, where heaven meets between. In stillness I can see you're here with me. Sacred moments, soft and true. All my heart belongs to you. Every silence sings your name. I'll never be the same. Sacred moments, calm and pure. Your presence will endure. Forever I'll remain in sacred moments again. Every breath you sanctify, every tear you dry. Your peace surrounds my heart. You're where I start. Let your spirit stay in me every day. Forever I will find your peace divine. Sacred moments, sacred moments, soft and true. All my heart belongs to you. Every silence sings your name. I'll never be the same. Sacred moments, calm and pure. Your presence will endure. Forever I'll remain in sacred moments again. Sacred moments, forever you stay. Sacred moments. Presence eternal. Presence eternal. Forever I'm home. In the silence you remain. Through the joy and through the pain. Every heartbeat sings your grace. I feel you in this place. The waves are whispering your name. eternal, soft and bright. You are my endless light. Every moment, every sigh, you're always by my side. Presence eternal, calm and true. My heart belongs to you. Forever I will stay in your holy The stars above begin to glow. Your beauty starts to show. Every thought you sanctify. Your love will never die. Your spirit lingers in the air. I know you're always there. You carry me through night and day. In you I'll always stay. You move through every sound. Your glory all around. My soul will always know. Your light forever glows. Presence eternal, soft and bright. You are my endless light. Every moment, every sigh, you're always by my side. Presence eternal, calm and true. My heart belongs to you. Forever I will stay in your holy way. You are the fire within my heart. You set my life apart. Your peace is all I see. You're everything to me. No shadow can remain. Your mercy breaks the chain. Forever you will be my eternity. Presence eternal, soft and bright. You are my endless light. Presence eternal, soft and bright. You are my endless light. Every moment, every sigh, you're always by my side. Presence eternal, calm and true. My heart belongs to you. Forever I will stay in your holy way. Presence eternal, forever you stay. Presence eternal. Shine within me. Forever free. Your light awakens my soul. You make the broken whole. Every shadow fades away as you begin to stay. You lift my eyes to see the dawn, a love that carries on. Every You're the light that never dies, the hope that fills the skies. Forever I'll remain in your holy flame. Shine within me. Forever free. Shine within me. Forever free. Shine within me, purity. Guide my heart through the night. Every whisper, every flame, I'll praise your holy name. Shine within me, calm and true. All I am belongs to you. Forever I will be where you shine in me. Shine within me. Forever free. Shine within me. Forever free. Waves of grace flow through this place. The ocean whispers through my heart. Your love's where I start. Every tide and every sound. Your mercy all around. You move like water through my pain. You wash me clean again. In every breath I see, you're healing me. Your light begins to shine. Forever mine. Waves of grace, soft and wide, you pull me to your side. Every fear fades away in your gentle sway. Waves of grace, calm and near. I feel your presence here forever. I will stay in waves of grace, in waves of grace. The night is still, the stars align. Your spirit intertwines. Every whisper calls my name. I'll never be the same. You move with rhythm, soft and slow. Through every ebb and flow, my soul begins to rise to meet your skies. You calm the raging sea. Your peace surrounding me. Your light begins to shine. Forever mine. Waves of grace, soft and wide, you pull me to your side. Every fear fades away in your gentle sway. Waves of grace, calm and tear you've washed away with every wave. Your rhythm beats within my chest. Your peace, my only rest. Forever I'll embrace your waves of waves of grace. In the stillness I can see your light surrounding me. Through every storm, through every tear, your presence keeps me near. You shine through clouds, through endless skies. Your grace will never die. Every breath and quiet flame carries your name. You hold my heart so tight through every darkest night. Your love will never silence you still speak. Your love's what I seek. Your spirit lights the dark, ignites my sleeping heart. Forever you will show your faithful glow, your faithful glow. Faithful glow, forever you show. Faithful glow, forever you show. Faithful glow, forever you show. Your spirit moves across the deep. You wake my soul from sleep. Through every calm, through every storm, you keep my heart so warm. Your whisper lingers in the air, a peace beyond compare. Every moment speaks of you, so gentle, pure and true. You breathe where I can't see. Your love surrounding me. You call me to begin. Your light within. Breath of heaven, soft and near. Your presence draws me here. Every heartbeat sings your name. In stillness I can hear your voice so clear. You fill the air with peace and light. You turn my wrongs to right. Forever I'll belong within your soul. Life within. Breath of heaven, soft and near. Your presence draws me here. Every heartbeat sings your name. Forever you remain. Breath of heaven, calm and wide. You dwell deep inside. Forever I'll be still in your will. Breath of heaven. Flow again. Breath of heaven. Echoes of peace calling me. The night is soft, the stars are near. Your presence whispers clear. Every wave that meets the shore reminds me I'm yours. You breathe in colors of the sky, where time and love collide. Every moment you restore, I'm whole once more. You move within the sound, your grace is all around. Your spirit gently flows, forever it grows. Echoes of peace, deep and true. I hear your voice come through. Every silence sings your name. Nothing feels the same. Echoes of peace, calm and near. I feel your presence here. Forever I'll remain in this refrain. The morning light begins to rise. Your mercy fills the skies. Every tear you've washed away. In grace I stay. Your spirit moves in every breeze. A song that never leaves. You speak in hearts alive. Your love divine. You move within the sound. Your grace is all around. Your spirit gently flows. Forever it grows. Echoes of peace, deep and true. I hear your voice come through. Every silence sings your name. Nothing feels the same. Echoes of peace, calm and near. I feel your presence here. peace like rivers flow wherever I may go. Each breath becomes a prayer. I know you're there. You calm the storm inside. Your love will never hide. Forever you will be peace over me. Echoes of peace, deep and true. I hear your voice come through. Every silence sings your name. Nothing feels the same. Echoes of peace, calm and near. I feel your presence here. Forever I'll remain in this refrain. Echoes of peace. Echoes of peace. Peaceful horizon. Your light keeps rising. The sky unfolds in shades of gold. Your mercy to behold. Every breath a gentle wave. Your love so strong to save. The ocean sings your melody, a timeless symphony. Your spirit in the air, I feel you everywhere. You calm the tides inside. With peace I cannot hide. Your grace will never fade. In you I'm unafraid. Peaceful horizon, wide and free. Your presence covers me. Every moment, every sigh, you lift my soul so high. Peaceful horizon, calm and true. My heart belongs to you. Forever I will see your peace surrounding me. The wind is soft, the world is still. I'm resting in your will. Every heartbeat starts anew with gratitude for you. Your light reflects across the sea. It draws me close to thee. Every wave, your grace unfolds, more precious than gold. You calm the tides inside. With peace I cannot hide. Your grace will never fade. In you I'm unafraid. feel the